Welcome to the brand new 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4X. The AT4X is powered by a 6.2 liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Jumping into the interior of the Sierra AT4X, power windows, locks and mirrors, memory seating, push button 4x4 assist drivability dial, trailer mode. You have your automatic headlights and fog lights, heads up display controls, a leather wrapped heated steering wheel with paddle shifters and cruise control, full digital gauge cluster, 14 kilometers on the truck, brand new. Push button ignition, an over 13-inch large touchscreen using the Google operating system. Vehicle does have dual zone climate with heated and ventilated seating. Lane keep assist, traction control, parking sensors. You do have electronic locking front and rear differential. You have your automatic shifter knob, trailer mode, as well as the all black interior, Bose Performance audio, and our leather heated ventilated Sierra AT4X seating, as well as your rear view mirror there does have the camera system with the backup camera. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the GMC Sierra AT4X, we do have the 18-inch wheel and tire package with the 33-inch Goodyear Wrangler Territory MT tires, massive tires on the stock truck. You do have the Multimatic DSSV GM Performance suspension all around. On the Sierra AT4X, color matched door handles on the crew cab, AT4X badging, color matched mirror caps for the camera system and LED lighting. 6.2 liter V8 black on the front fender. Up front, again, the 33-inch wheel and tire package with that lift kit, 2-inch lift from the factory. Vehicle is equipped even up front with the DSSV Multimatic suspension. Coming down to the front, this AT4X does have the AEV front bumper as well. Recovery points, front parking sensors still an option. Fog lights, AT4X branded grille, LED daytime running lamps and turn signals. Making our way back down the side. Rear tinted privacy window on the crew cab. Truck is equipped with remote start. At the back, rear parking sensors on the color matched bumper, trailer tow pack, step ups in the side of the bumper with your LED brake lights, and the GM MultiPro tailgate. Jumping into the interior, we have the leather 60/40 split, both end seats here, car seat ready, as well as they are heated. In-seat storage feature, a sliding rear window with defrost. AT4X does come with the suede wrapped headliner, LED lighting, and a single pane sunroof. Your USB ports, heated seat controls, OEM floor mats fitted there with the carpeted inserts. And as you can tell in the back of the crew cab AT4X, tons of room for your rear passengers. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk around video at the brand new 2023 GMC Sierra AT4X. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.